Thank you so much, General Evaluator, and very good morning, Meraki and guests. So, brilliant speech today, Sundar. The two words which woke me up from the whole presentation was about Purandara Dasa and Sarani Varsai, because it took me back to the days of my son when I used to drop him every day for Carnatic music class for about 3 years. Still, I have that book in the library. Great memories it comes back. So, three things I would like to emphasize more on what I love the most in the speech. This speech of question answer session has stated there are 4 benefits of conducting a speech like this, on the benefits of question answer session. Number 1, it creates a credibility and rapport with the audience. Number 2, clarity and value. And the third one is new information. Finally, the feedback. So I have 3 things which is the best part of the speech. Number 1, credibility and rapport. What's a better way to show that rather than talking about it? You know, he was on time, brought the keyboard, had to set it up ready, and he sang few tunes also. So using the keyboard, it makes the person is really on authority talk about it. Credibility and rapport was great. Number 2, clarity and value. I see when I end up the 20-minute speech, when I see what's the correlation I had, at least I understand there are some basics of Carnatic and how do I approach them in my life if I want to learn something. So that kind of value is there and clarity is there in the speech. The third one is the new information. I see there are 7 into 72 ragas, and millions of ragas you can create it. So I learned at least something as part of this new session. That's the objective of the speech for a question answer session. Though you had fared well on this 3 aspects of credibility and rapport, new information and clarity and value, there are 2 things I suggest you can improve on when you take this question answer session as a speech to the next level. Number 1, the project observation talks about how do you end the Q&A session. It says end the Q&A session with a brief summary of your whole presentation. Maybe you could have done about 4 things which I want to cover in Carnatic music, which I took today the raga as the main topic, and we covered so many things and ended with the main points. It would have made sense for them to go back to the beginning to end, number 1. Number 2, this question answer session topic or a speech talks about how well you are prepared to manage this, predict these questions, how manage that. One thing I would suggest for you to reduce your presentation into around 12 to 13 and then concentrate time on the question, because obviously when a new topic is put into the audience, there could be a lot of interest for them to question, and you can place the timing. I could sense this first improvement could have missed out because you were mistimed on it finally when you are rushing towards the red card. That could be the reason. Overall, it was a great learning for me today. If you improve on ending this with the summary, also managing time, I'm sure this will go places. Over to you, Rambert.
Thank you. I'll now request TTM Karthik Mohan to do the master level.
No, ask for ballots.